This is how to draw a shy ghost from Super Mario. Just start out with a circle. Like most things start out with a circle. Or a circle type shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna have the ghost kind of facing towards the right. So we're just gonna draw this guideline that arcs around, follows the shape like that. Kind of think of it as a 3D circle, not a flat circle. And then about right here we'll draw a little hand coming up. It's going to be covering up his face because he's got social anxiety about being seen by Mario. And we'll draw another arm that comes up like this. And then his eyebrows are going to be coming up like that in a sad type of way. And his eyes are squinting like he's really just not a fan of what's happening, being seen. Now, the eyebrows and eyes convey a lot of emotion, but we also have his mouth to deal with. And his mouth is going to be all squiggly, so it just comes around like this. Kind of has these triangle shapes for his teeth. Then loops out on both sides. So the edges of his mouth are kind of like loops. And then the tail will be right here. It'll just be a kind of a half triangle type shape, like that. And that's the basic shape of the ghost. Now we'll go over it with the lime wake, and there's a bunch of different ghosts on the Mario games, different expressions. There's angry ones, sad ones, silly ones. I always liked the scared ones, because ghosts are supposed to be scaring people, but when the tables are turned, when it's people scaring ghosts, there's something kind of charming about that, and it makes the ghosts seem less threatening, makes them seem more like you'd want to help them not be afraid. You guys believe in ghosts? Let me know in the comments. Type yes if you think ghosts are real, no if you think that they're just fiction. Or if you've seen a ghost, let me know. After doing the slime work, we'll color him and add some blushy, some red shame over his eyes. Alright, let's get rid of this rough drawing part on the underneath the line work. So here we'll clean up this line work just a bit, make the lines more even. This character would be good for a line boil. A line boil is just where there's like 3 frames of animation 3 drawings that just repeat over and over, and it makes the lines wiggle, almost like they're breathing. Alright, now I'm gonna color the body white and then add some little blushy stuff going on here. Alright. Coloring time. Since I'm doing it digitally, I can just do a paint bucket, which is a lot faster than having to color things by hand. And the nice thing about digital coloring is it's free. You don't ever run out of pixels. Whereas with pens and paper, that costs money. There he is, a shy little ghost. Thanks for watching and subscribing.